Hi, everybody. Good morning. What you're looking at this morning are fossils, dinosaur fossils, approximately 60 million years old, 65, I think, that I helped dig up in western Wyoming this past summer. These are the ones that haven't been worked on. Since this is the first time I've ever done this, I had a real learning curve as far as number one, actually digging the fossils out of a creek bed that had been unearthed. It was probably 3 feet down below the topsoil. And very exciting. You can see the first one had a plaster cast wrapped around it because it's so big, trying to preserve it. The white spots you see on top are from a acetone and polymer glue to help hold it together. And what you see here is my first fossil that I actually started cleaning. And it was covered with dirt and matrix, as they call it. And underneath it, I've got it on like 10x because you can see my magnifying setup. Yeah, it's a little messy here, but yeah, busy. Underneath this is a layer of dust and dirt and other bones from other dinosaurs, littler, smaller, broken ones. And I don't dare pull any more out from underneath it because I don't, this is very fragile. As you can see, it's comprised of a lot of broken pieces. You see that? And they're glued together, which is more of that white glue. And I have to work to clean this off, and I can do it with acetone. And try not to breathe it in because, yeah, acetone. But what I got from underneath this was a bunch of small bones that I worked really hard and tried for, I don't know, 10, 15 hours trying to put together, piece together. And I'm not very good at this yet, so I ended up just giving up. And here's the pile of them. You can see my frustration. It's like, oh, I bet I could come up with at least 2 or 3 better sized bones from this, but not yet. My skill sets aren't quite there. But I thought I'd share this journey with you on how exciting it is to, number one, go on a dinosaur dig, my first one ever, and then bring actual specimens home and hit the learning curve and making a few mistakes along the way. I think I broke a few things that I didn't really want to break, but glue is a great binder, I tell you what. So I'm enjoying this journey, and I look forward to going on my next dig, probably next summer.